Mama, what is your ethnicity side on your family?
On my side, we are Cebuanos and we live in Agusan del Norte uh, for many generations.
Where did our ancestors came from?
Your grandparents and sisters were born and raised in Agusan del Norte. That's where our family roots began.
What is Papa's ethnicity?
Your father is half Ilonggo and half Aklanon. Just because your Lola is Aklanon, she lives in Aklan City. Your Lolo is Ilonggo. He lives in Bacolod City.
What tradition, customs, and beliefs we follow from our ancestors?
We celebrate Fiesta, Holy Week, and Christmas. We gather family together. Uh, we have activity like boat boat racing, horse fighting, and that's the ancestors.
Are there unique habits in our ethnicity?
In our side, in our side, we are family of singers, while your father's side, we are in sports, like we are athletes.
Go. What values or beliefs did our ancestors and grandparents teach us?
Our people known as gospel-centered family and hardworking people.